The NBS-1290 Ultra can quickly handle common CNC machining. Set feed rate. Set spindle speed. Set the desired dimensions. Set machining depth and step depth. Step down indicates the cutting depth for each pass. The chamfer can be customized to your preference. Set tool diameter. Name the G-code. Save G-code to local. Select the G-code saved in a local file. Click Map here to view the toolpath preview. Click Generate Graph again to view the 3D preview. 3D preview supports simple toolpaths only. Click Stop Generate to switch back to the 2D preview. Run the G-code. Setup method is the same as previous. Set feed rate. Set spindle speed. Set the desired dimensions. Set machining depth and step depth. Set tool diameter. Name the G-code. Save the G-code. Select the G-code saved in a local file. You can run the G-code directly by clicking Start. Follow the same setup steps as before. Now let's take a look at the final result.